Hi, my name is Ms. Spencer, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit about curriculum for the U.S. History class that your student will be taking this year. This is a course that dives into American history, looks at key events and figures. We're going to have a new text and workbook. It's called A Nation Conceived in Liberty, and this is going to be a book that is kind of a workbook for the students, so it's theirs to keep, and it's a really great resource. So I hope you'll encourage your students to use it. Delivery of instruction. In-person students will have direct teaching, reading packets, activities, lectures. Online students, video teaching, recorded lectures, reading packets, pretty much anything that we can put on It's Learning. We'll also use something known as USA Test Prep, which is super important. So if you hear your students refer to that, that's usually how we will assess them. Grading calculations. This is very similar to what you've seen before in courses that your students have taken. This is an EOC course, so the coursework will be 25% formative and 75% summative. Help sessions. Online students should communicate with their teacher. I will do my best to get back to them as soon as possible. In-person students have the ability to ask and come and get a pass and come back for tutorial, or they can come prior to school in the morning and see me Tuesdays through Thursdays. Primary form of communication will be through email, but I will also use Remind and It's Learning. The lesson planner will be posted at the start of each unit, and basically week by week I will have everything out there that they need, and it should be there on the planner with the resources and the date on which it is assigned, and it will be very clear what is asked of your student for that particular day or week. Student expectations, just face-to-face instruction. Come prepared. This year we're going to need you to bring your supplies because of the pandemic. Be respectful, advocate for yourself, ask questions. Virtual instruction, interact respectfully just like you would at school. Use communication tools to collaborate, and there's so many ways that we can collaborate that your students will be using, so that's exciting. Classroom supplies, 3-ring binder, pencils, black and blue pens, highlighter, and your new textbook that you can write in. It's a workbook. Contact information, you will find my name and email address on this list, as well as other social studies teachers. And we are happy to get back in touch with you. We'll try to do that within 24 to 48 hours. And there will be a link on here, and you will be able to click on the link and get a little bit more information just about me and who I am. So the more you know about the past, the better prepared you are for the future, and we are excited to see your kiddos. Thank you.